Hi, my name is Rudolph Gleason, and this is my science fair project, kicker coaching device using Connect. And a little bit about my background is I'm a field kicker for the Harrison freshman football team. I started training last March for kicking, and it's a long process learning how to kick. Some days, I kick really good. Sometimes I wouldn't. I kick really bad. And yeah, kicking involves a lot of complicated biomechanic motions. Most kickers take a one step kick to start off with, and then they go back to full step kicks. That's how they learn. They just trial and error. Like they don't really know what they did wrong and what they didn't do wrong. So what I plan to do was build a device that could teach young kickers how to what they're doing wrong and what they're not doing wrong, and teach them how to kick their field goal to improve their height and improve their distance on their field goal kicks. So my long-term objective for the project was to make a tool that could diagnose the biomechanics of a proper field goal kick and tell the kicker what to improve on. So my first objective was to determine if the Connect 2 skeletal mapping feature can accurately quantify a field goal kicker motion. And my second objective was to determine if the 3D depth image can be combined with the skeletal mapping feature to improve accuracy of kicker motion. And my final objective is to identify the best camera position for measuring the kicking motion. So my materials were, a laptop and the Kinect camera. And the Kinect camera is made by Microsoft, and it's for Xbox. Like if you ever played Just Dance before, it's that thing that picks up your motions and gets you dancing. So that, and then a computer with the program C++, and an iPhone to record behind me to see my height and distance. And yeah, those are really the materials, the football and stuff. So what we do, a procedure, we go to the field, set up the football, set up the camera, which should be about maybe 2 feet to the left of where I kick the ball. We plug it into the computer, set up the program stuff, and turn on the camera and then kick a field goal, and the Connect camera do the rest, and it see me kick the field goal and send it to the computer. Then we watch and see all the points on my body, and what I could figure out and change. So what we did is we set up the camera, and the results were they weren't that good. The camera it used infrared light, so it couldn't see my body here. So if you've seen these first images up here, which is me kicking from the front view from the 2 yards away, we put it there, and it missed my leg kicking the football, falling through, couldn't get my hips, couldn't get my knee, anything like that. We put it aside and kick there, couldn't get my hips and my leg going back. So we try to do, we try to take smaller steps, try to move it closer, try to figure out all different angles, and we couldn't really do it. So show a few pictures of what we got. Figure out a way to exit out of here. There you go. That's me kicking for the freshman team right there. Okay. So that's our setup that we had. Connect camera right there to the computer. Holder, football, me kicker. That's me kicking the field goal. Also, camera we had behind to see the height and distance of the kick. And this is this is what the Connect would get. It would get right here, get me starting, get me running up. It missed my leg there, so we couldn't really, assess that. It missed my foot, so we couldn't really see the contact I made in the ball. It missed my follow through, see if my thing would go up, see if my leg did the right, hip stay in the right motion. So the front view didn't work. We tried the side view. We did one step. I plant, my leg would go behind, kick, and it wouldn't work. So here we tried, different camera things, the color here and the stick figure. We couldn't really get the body parts we wanted there and the type of stuff that we wanted. So go back to the PowerPoint. So in the future, what I plan to do is maybe get 2 cameras, see if they can pick up different body parts, because we only had one camera, and we put it in front, we missed the leg, and we get the hips. But we put it aside, we missed the hips and get the leg that we needed. So in the future, I try getting 2 cameras set up, maybe put it inside without because the sun would get in the way of the infrared light, which would causing you not to see me. And and yeah, that's basically what we do. So hope you like my science fair project. Um, yep.